Welcome to Avignon day 2, but really like one.
First full day.
First full day in Avignon. It's such a slow town, much more slow than all the big cities we've been going to, and so we're very excited to just take the day and walk around and see the few sites that they have. And then stop at some cafes and, I don't know, just kind of take a relaxing little day. Elena and I have not eaten anything yet, so our first stop is the Central Market, which we've heard great things about.
So we found this little booth in the market, and I'm definitely getting some lasagna and ratatouille. It looks so good.
So that was definitely the best market we've been in so far. For dinner, we all split up, got bread, cheese, and a bunch of different types of meat and fruit. And so tonight we're gonna eat very well, and we're very excited.
It's gonna be so good.
Yeah, we even got the recommended local wine from the wine woman, so
The wine lady.
The wine
will be great.
Right behind me is the Palais De Pape. Probably not saying that right at all, but that's okay. It was the seat of Western Christianity in the 14th century. It's actually one of the most important and largest medieval Gothic structures in all of Europe. And actually, interestingly, 6 papal elections were held in this building. So 6 popes were decided in this building. It's very cool. And it's kind of weird that it's just in this little town that is now not super important, but really cool.
We just went into this cathedral and it was open for anyone to go into, so we didn't have to pay for it. There's a nice relaxing walk up to the lookout this time.
So right now we're in the Palais De Pape Park. It's the highest point in Avignon, at least that we can access. And behind me, it also gives the best view of the Pont D'avignon, which is a medieval bridge that was made during the 12th century, but now only half of it is there because during a crusade on Avignon, it got destroyed. And they rebuilt it, but the arches kept collapsing, so now they just keep it as a landmark, half built. So it took us about 3 hours to see all the main attractions in Avignon, which is kind of nice after having walked miles and miles and miles to see all the other things in these big cities.
I don't even think it took 3 hours. It took like an hour and a half.
Okay, half of my estimation. So now we're walking to a little cafe that our Airbnb host recommended to us just to get something cold to drink because it's still pretty hot today. The other nice thing is that everything is about a 6-minute walk from each other.
And we're staying right in the middle of it all, so our Airbnb is right in the middle.
A virgin colada, our very favorite drink. Try.
Also, oh my, good. It's very interesting.
Not normal?
No, it's pretty good, but it has a very interesting flavor